Blinds are a great choice for windows because they look good and can be used in many ways. But they can get dusty and dirty quickly, making them look bad. Cleaning your blinds regularly is important to keep them looking nice and working well. With a few simple methods and products, you can have your blinds looking fresh and clean. Soap helps to emulsify and remove dirt, grime, and dust from blind surfaces. First, take a pair of tongs and attach a cloth to each side of the tongs with a rubber band. Mix soap into warm water and dip the tongs into the mixture. Squeeze the cloth to remove most of the water. Use the tongs to grab each blind from top to bottom, sliding it back and forth. This way, all the dust and grime will be removed. You can also clean your blinds with the help of brush. Take the blinds out of the window and hang them up on wash hooks. Open the blinds downwards and rinse with water. Then, scrub them with a brush that has soap on it, cleaning downwards on both sides and back and forth. Rotate the blinds upwards with your hands. Clean the blinds again with the brush and rinse with water. With this method you will achieve amazing results. By using the right duster can make the process much easier and more efficient. The window blind duster brush with 5 microfiber sleeves is a cleaning tool designed for window shutters, blinds and air conditioners. To achieve exceptional results in cleaning your blinds, use the cleaner duster. Grasp the duster firmly and gently clean each slat, moving back and forth carefully. Go through each slat, ensuring that both the front and back surfaces are thoroughly dusted. You will be pleasantly surprised at how effectively this method removes dust and dirt. These methods are a great way to clean blinds. Remove dust and dirt from each slat individually, leaving your blinds looking clean and refreshed.